Welcome. Today we're going to add Polygon on the Matic network to MetaMask. I'm assuming you already have MetaMask installed. If you don't, you'll need to go to metamask.io and download it. But I already have it configured. Open up MetaMask, sign in, click along the top here. I have the Ethereum network showing. And this opens this box down the bottom, so you'll see add network. Click on add network, and you just need to fill these details in here. So we're going to call this the Matic network. Then the RPC URL, there's a few you can use. Let me just got a notepad with the details. You can use any of these here, but I'm going to use the Matic, the third one down, mainnet Matic Vigil. Let's go copy that in. The chain ID, I'm sure it's 137, isn't it? 137. And the block explorer, Polygon scan. And then just your currency symbol, Matic. And all we do is save that. And there we go.